Welcome back to a Tuo car line. Aaj hum lakar I hain aapke liye 2025 model ki ek detailed, deeply explained our practical review journey jism hum as gaadi ke space, comfort, features, technology our real life usability ka complete analysis karne whale hain. Ye video unsab logon ke liye perfect hai jo 2025 model ki upgraded world ko samajna chat hain our dekna chat hain kiss sol automobile industry kiss had talk badal chuki hai. To chaliye bina dur ki as gaadi ki puri kahani shuru kart hain. Sabs pella jab op as gaadi ko dor se dekt hain to iska aggressive yet premium design turret high nazrine apni tariff k hichlita high. 2025 styling language ko is model mine bohat kubserti se uskia gaya high. Front fasa ko modern LED headlamps, wide stance grille our aerodynamic cuts k soft design kia gaya high jis na surf gadi stylish lagdi high bake airflow be dramatically improve hota hey. Side profile par sharp lines, refined curves our floating roof effect gadi ko high class futuristic presence deet hain. Rear design be equally attractive high. New tail lamps signature pattern Benete hain jo riat k time road par gadi ko ek alag pechen deet hain. Overall exterior ek balanced mix high sporty aggression our luxury refinement ka. A flat chalt hain interior key tariff jahan osli magic shuru hota hey. 2025 model ka cabin step in cart high apko ek naya world feel hota hey. Cabin ko wide, open our area experience deen k liye smart layout use kia gaya high. Dashboard par soft touch materials, new matte finishes our clean horizontal styling cabin co premium look deet hain. Front seats co specially redesigned cushioning our adjustable support k soft banaya gaya high just driving ka maza our comfort dono ek soft milt hain. Rear seats be surprisingly ziada spacious feel hodi hain. Legroom our headroom dono improved hain, just tall passengers be comfortably long journeys car sakti hain. Is Gaudi Ka Sab's strong point Iska space management high. 2025 engineering K Zariye cabin ko expand Kia Gaya high bina vehicle K overall size ko badhe. Center console ko slim raka Gaya high jis ni room bod to high. Door panels lightweight design K soft banai gay hain jis andar ka usable space enhance hota hey. Storage pockets deep our practical hain. Boot space be coffee large dia gaya high jis op family trips k liye multiple bags easily rock sakti hain. Rear seats fold hodi hain jis cargo area our ziada expand kia ya sakta high. Everyday usability k hisab say ye gadi opni segment mine top contender ban jati high. Technology key bot key j to 2025 model is field mine b sabs age high. Center mine ek large floating touchscreen display dia gaya high jo seamless animations our ultra smooth interface k soth ata high. Navigation, media, connectivity our vehicle settings sab kuchi k touch par accessible high. Apple CarPlay our Android Auto wireless mode mine support hote hain. Digital instrument cluster be customizable themes k soth dia gaya high just driver ko exactly wo information milti high jo wo dekna chata hey. Voice control upgraded AI engine K soth introduce Kia Gaya High Jo ab ziada naturally commands ko samaj lita high. Climate control system dual zone ya triple zone configuration K soth ata high, depending on the variant. Cooling performance fast our highly efficient high. Cabin air purifier system latest generation filter K soth ata high just pollutants our bad odors cabin say effectively remove hote hain. Wireless charging pad fast charging standard K soft dia gaya high. Multiple USB ports rear passengers K liye be available hain. Ambient lighting 64 colors talk adjustable high jo cabin mine ek relaxing atmosphere create cardi high, specially night driving K whacked. Safety features key. Bot Karain To 2025 model fully loaded high. Advanced driver assistance systems Gs Udash B Kaha Jata high, ISS mine optimize Ki Gay hain. ISM adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, traffic sign detection our 360-degree camera system shamil hain. Parking sensors front our rear dono ends par given hain jo tight spaces mine driving ko bohat easy bana deet hain. Body structure co reinforced steel frames our crumple zones k soth banaya gaya high jis crash safety improved hodi high. Airbags multiple positions par distributed hain for maximum protection. Performance key tariff chalt hain. 2025 model smooth yet powerful engine options K soth available high. Acceleration refined feel hodi high our engine noise cabin mine noticeably cam sunai deta high. Transmission shift soft, quick our responsive hain. Suspension system specially tuned high gis gaudy rough roads par be stable feel hodi high. Steering light speed dependent adjustment K soth auto high gis low speed par easy maneuvering our high speed par confident stability milti high. Fuel economy be impressive high, especially hybrid variants mine jahan efficiency significantly increase hojati high. Overall driving experience balanced, mature our modern feel data high. Gaudy urban traffic mine smooth glide cardi high our highway par strong road presence K soft comfortable cruising offer cardi high. Cabin noise insulation improved high gis wind noise our tire noise minimum ho jate hain. Long journeys K whacked comfort our fatigue reduction clearly noticeable hoda hay. Ager total conclusion dia J to 2025 model EK perfect blend high space, comfort, technology, safety our design innovation ka. Yi modernization ka wo example high jahan manufacturer nay practical needs our futuristic concept ko ek soth combine car dia high. Chahe op family use K liye dek rehi hun ya daily office commute K liye, yi gadi apni category mine bo